this is review number 6. I was gonna say 5 then, but this is number 6. And it's the 12th Doctor's second sonic screwdriver. And here it is. Its packaging. If you wanted to see what packaging it came in, I suggest you have a look at the first video I did on this. She shows you the packaging. So first of all, I'm going to show you a end cap to emitter view of it close up so you can get a look into all the details. So as you can see, the end cap is mainly silver with a little gold ring, bronze ring there, with a bit of the blue there. Some more silver rings there. Now this bit here, they have some bent metal pieces put in with some rivets at the end with the blue core going up. So this piece, see the contrasting colours here for the bronze pieces there. We've got the black ring, a little bit of paint bleed on there from the bronze copper. And on this bottom bit, it's pretty much exactly the same all the way around. But only coming up to the little press handle here, you've got the emitter, the little switch there, and the little slider piece there. On the back, it's just a blank piece of blue material. Blue goes all the way around. Got these claws clamping this emitter here. And then we have the giant emitter right here. So going a little closer on there, you can see the tubes which are visible at the top too. Got the 5 little LEDs down in there too. So now on to the effects. So to activate this first effect, you just push up and it should illuminate. Actually, let's push it down first. It should illuminate blue. So as you can see, that went blue. Let's give you a view at the end too. So a view right here. See, lights up blue. If you push it forward, it lights up green. Again, that little piece on the end, right here too. Now onto the hidden bits, you just gotta push this down twice or up twice to activate the hidden features on this Sonic. So push it down twice, it does the little compulsing lights. And now that's from the top end. See, the one in the middle goes right, and the ones on the outside pulsate. And the next one, so if you push it up twice, comes with this 4th hidden feature. So I'll show you that on the end too. They all flash on and off. So that's all the features. So that's the end of this video, showing you the new 12th Doctor's second sonic screwdriver. So thank you so much for watching. Comment, like and subscribe for some more videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.